These, sir.
Just go for it. Y'all see that? Just go. Yo, once the double tap comes into play, then it's problematic. Here we go. Here we go. I'm seeing things already.
Yeah.
Seeing things. Let me go ahead check the box here. Because it is Air Max season.
These are the men's Air Max Day Air Max ones.
I haven't even seen these. I haven't seen these ones.
Yeah.
Look at
these
that.
These came out specifically for Air Max Day.
Soul is cold.
Soul.
It's cold, yo.
Yeah. It's pretty tough.
That is cold, boy. That blue right there. It's almost like ice. What do they call the ice? Like the ice. I forgot what they call them. The blue joints, whatever. They got them on some J's, but it's more. This is a deeper blue.
Yeah.
It's like an aqua type of situation going on. Woo! What is this material, yo?
Yeah. So all premium materials they pulled out for this one. So there's a lot happening.
Look at that leather right there. That's filthy.
Yeah.
Got the globe on the back. All right, cool. All right, let's see. Let's pull this. Pull the whole that out of there. Oh, nice. So they got they have a breakdown of how the shoe is constructed.
Yep.
On the inside of this.
Insole.
All right, on the insole, that's crazy. It doesn't come out. Oh no, yes it does. Yep. Yep, designed in 1987, Beaverton, Oregon, as we all know, created for the future of sport. And that's a breakdown of the Air Max. Got the little side sticker on this, so I'll leave it. Breakdown of the Air Max, the insole, the outsole, everything. That's dope. That's clean. There's so many things going on with these joints, yo. These joints is crazy, son. Yeah. So, all right, let's start from the soles. So this ice, look at it in the camera there. Look how bright that is, son. You know how many feelings this is gonna hurt as you're walking down the street? You're gonna be on some buckshot action, son.
Absolutely. I'm cutting all corners.
Cutting all corners.
Like that.
Unnatural movements.
How many MCs must get this?
Yeah. Go check the video. Y'all know what we talk about. Okay, cool. So yeah, and then the creamy midsole is crazy. The inside of the air bubble, it looks like French vanilla ice cream. Yeah. All right, listen, son. Look at that.
I'll agree with that.
Look at that cream. The cream on the outsole, on the midsole, excuse me, and then on the inside of the air bubble, it's just a different tone. Yeah. Unless they tinted the bubble itself, I can't tell which way. Either way, but it looks like regular, like vanilla bean almost ice cream, and then French vanilla ice cream on the inside. Crazy. I love that piece. Yeah. I love this whole piece right here, son. The light blue, dark blue on the front and on the back, and with that cream, it just goes nuts. That's nice. Great job there. And then this material, what is this considered? Does it say? What is it? Is this new? It don't feel like nubuck.
It's like I don't know what it is.
Right?
It's a leather.
It's like a dumb butter.
So I have one the Kaepernick
Ones.
Air Force Ones right now, and there's this leather that's on here that's like that.
Yeah, but
premium leather.
Yeah, that's leather
like,
though.
It's almost like the underside of this is this.
Right, and that's what I was talking about. The bottom, the ice bottoms on these.
Yeah,
that's what I was talking about. But these like ice bottoms, but it's blue ice bottoms.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, this is like the nubuck version. I'm sorry, I missed what you said. Like a nubuck version of that.
The obviously when there's the premium leather,
yes,
the underside of that is a nubuck, but it's not really nubuck. It's like a.
It's not.
It's like a calf skin. Remember
maybe
those old calf skin leather coats back then?
Yeah. So and then the traditional gray, right?
Yep. which is a different leather.
It's a different type of material.
Yeah.
It's all smooth though, yo. It's butter smooth. It's crazy.
And then you've got this scaled, like reptile skin here.
You sure do. And the traditional mesh on the toe box, and then the little piece right here. But yeah, that little mesh situation, and so the stripe is bugging me out.
Yeah.
Right? What's the designs on that? It's just something.
It's just something. It's basically
like
it's the same thing that's on the tongue. This map, like this grid. That's
on the inside. On the inside.
Yeah, inside of it. But then it's just like blue. I don't know.
Oh, this grid too. But this has like a This reminds me of like a blue jean acid wash.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Uh huh.
And then you got black and white tips on the shoestrings. You got the air. Let me give that its just due. Yeah. You got black and white, and then a black and cream.
Yes, sir.
Tips on the shoestrings for no reason.
Oh, there's something else on the end of the shoestring, sir.
I know. I ain't missing it. I ain't missing it. I got my finger over it right now. Okay. I know what I'm doing over here.
All right.
Gosh darn it. So this actually matches like the tongue and the upper. Yeah. This one matches the, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
That matches that, so that shows that it was intentional. Whoever did this.
Intentional. Nice touch.
And then it has, of course, 326. You know what I'm saying? Day. On the Air Max Day on the shoestrings. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you gotta do that. You have the grid.
It's literally the day after my birthday.
The day after your birthday, you're born for this. Yeah. You trying to say? Nice leather, premium leather on the tongue too. That tongue is nice and, you know what I'm saying, plush. You getting the Air Max comfort.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. And then the tongue, like I said, matches the grid on the inside stripe, on the inside check.
So I'm torn.
The blue, lovely.
I'm
torn
with the shoestring. These shoestrings are so dope with the mismatch tips and the 326 on it.
Those are just plain, right? So yeah, the shoestrings.
Shoestring. So what I was saying is, what's interesting about this is this shoestring option is a different string. One, it's flat. It is a premium string, and it's that off-white cream that matches the sole.
Yeah.
And so normally I don't switch out the shoestrings.
You can go one each if you wanted to. One blue, one cream. Blue and cream. I mean, come on.
I honestly didn't think of that.
But it'd be like blue and cream. We've lived for this moment.
We have.
We've lived
everything
a good portion of our lives
has led me here
to this moment.
to this very
blue
moment.
And cream, son.
Yeah.
Blue shit is tough, yo.
Those are tough.
Got the globe on the back, embossed, right?
Yeah.
Embossed in the back, so the globe is a theme. It's like on the insole too.
Yeah. And signify the worldwide thing for Air Max Day. Yeah. That's that, man.
Those are tough, son.
Those be them.
I've seen a whole bunch of Air Maxes out there. Because this also, not only is it Air Max Day, of course, back in March.
Yeah.
This year, wasn't it like a
35th
anniversary of Air Max?
So there's going to be a bunch of them coming out. There's the ones that I mentioned earlier. They came out I forget the collaboration they're with. They got a whole bunch of camo and all types of
shit.
They were made
nuts.
They were made as an ode to Woodstock. And so those were I saw in Miami to pick up, and then that's how I ended up getting those
Nike
Air Max joints.
Nike Air Max. I expect to see a Summer of Soul joints next year.
You should do it. Someone should do this.
Someone needs to do a Summer of Soul Air Max next year.
There should be a Summer of Soul.
Shit,
yeah.
Knowing what we know now.
And we know it. I
expect to see a Summer of Soul next year, son.
Yeah.
And I just want to note that I've owned the 2 best pair of Air Max ever made, regardless of all the other shit they come out with. And that is the red and grays when they came out, and the red, blue, and grays with the white. when they came out. You don't get too much better than the actual OG shits, which I think you had the red and gray shits.
I do. I have.
Right? So boom. Yeah. So I just want to throw that out there, baby.
The OGs,
Air Max shit ain't new, baby. All this shit. Air Max for many years for me was the most comfortable shoe in existence.
Yeah.
The Air Max, man, it was just an amazing shoe. Was that the first they debuted the Air on these?
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
The Air, that was like, it was an air bubble on the side of these shits.
Yeah.
It was something that we had never seen even conceptualized before.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? So when those shits came out, it was like, I have to have those. And them red and silver shits,
It was the whole window thing, seeing the actual air bubble.
How do you say, Joe? I rolled those first Air Max like a $2 pony.
$2 pony, baby.
Like a $2 pony. Man,
man.
crushed them shits, yo.